Tama yun. So with that, let's welcome and introduce our special guest dahil excited ng ating mga kauntahan sa ating discussion.
Yes, correct. At tayo din, no? Excited
Yes.
na rin tayo.
Of course.
So, it is my pleasure, it is our pleasure, kami ni Judge Jing, ang i-introduce ang ating special guest. Ang special guest natin ay product of both UP for philosophy undergrad and Ateneo for her law and MBA degrees. She is active in both the practice of law and the academe. She is a professor of law and the only one who became the dean of 2 colleges of law of the city of Manila, namely the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila and Universidad ng Maynila. She later became president and chairperson of the Philippine Association of Law Schools, o PONGA. She was also a member of the board of the Philippine Judicial Academy. She was the bar examiner for civil law during the best bar ever early in 2022. Ayan.
Yes.
She has a history serving both government and the private sector. Currently, she is a member of the board of Miriam College. She sits at the governing board of the Supreme Court MCLE and is the managing partner of Maceda Law, a full-service law firm. So we are sure she has encountered legal queries regarding the most popular demographic of our society now, the senior citizens.
Yun, talaga namang beauty and brains ang ating special guest for today, Attorney Al. And add ko lang, nauna kami nagkakilala ng ating special guest a few years ago when we worked together on the guidelines for the establishment of law clinics no, across the country. Ito yung sa mga law schools. And now, doon naman kami magkasama sa MCLE Technical Working Group. So, napasama ko doon. Yung ating guest, siya yung nasa board of MCLE. Ako ay ano lang
Ano
doon.
ka lang doon? Tig. Oo, tig-sulat,
Hindi,
tig-kuha.
part lang ako ng isang subgroup doon. Yan. So without any further ado, we welcome to the People's Court stage, Dean Mary Anenias. Hello, Dean Mary. Hello,
Dean Mary.
hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to People's Court, Dean Mary. Ayan, oo.
Finally.
Yes, it's a
Yan
long
na
time
nga.
coming.
Correct.
Thank you for accepting our invitation.
Thank you for inviting me, having me here
Oo
to
nga.
experience People's Court.
Yes,
Thank
nako,
you.
super thankful talaga kami sa'yo, Dean Mary, kasi nga alam namin na busy ka, but still, you found the time for us here sa People's Court.
Like I'm sure you both are also, yung
Yeah.
mga tao sa ating industriya,
Yeah,
sa ating
industry.
industry ay talagang busy. At
Yeah.
yun din, ganun din ka-busy yung topic natin ngayon, di ba?
Yes. Oh, but
Correct.
before we proceed dun sa ating topic for today, may personal question muna kami sa iyo. Eto na. Binigyan ka na naman namin ng heads
Parang
up,
may
but not the
grade.
question.
Parang may grade.
Okay. Eto naman, simple lang. Kasi pinag-uusapan natin ng aging, di ba? Yun yung kasama sa topic. Ano ang sikreto mo for staying so young-looking and pretty?
Nako, thank you, 'di ba? Oh, thank you for that compliment on
National-
global na yung
global,
global
kasi
coverage.
nga,
Thank
oo.
you. But actually allergic ako pag pinag-uusapan yung age. Naririnig ko kayo pinag-uusapan ninyo yung age. But I guess just the secret to really aging gracefully kasi wala naman talaga rin akong ginagawa is because I don't really notice it. We just keep doing what we do and we love what we do. And siguro yung what we do shouldn't just be for ourselves.
Yes.
It should be for
Others.
for others. So I guess that's a secret kasi it makes you happy.
Ah,
They're giving back, di ba?
yes.
Ayun.
Oh, very
So the
good.
secret to youthful beauty is staying happy.
Yes.
Yeah, magaya nga yan.
Oo, simple lang.
Pero kasi
Pag
mamaya
TikTok,
baka isipin
diba?
nila na
Ay,
ano,
oo.
bakit ka laging masaya? Parang nagtataka na kami, hindi na normal sa'yo. Ayun, okay.
Hindi naman sobra.
Oh, di ba? Parang,
Tama lang. Everything in
Tama lang.
moderation.
True,
Yeah.
true. And at saka sabi nga naman nila, di ba? When you smile, it takes less number of muscles than when you're frowned.
Yeah, totoo yan, totoo yan. Saka when you smile, especially, hindi yung ganyan naman nakakatakot. Parang, okay, but anyway.
Yeah. So yan, so
Nawala tuloy ako.
Nawala tuloy.
Natakot ako sa iyo.
Grabe ka naman, malayo pa November. Ayun, so
Tomorrow. Pang Halloween na natin yan.
Ayan.
Okay.
So anyway, ayan, in the meantime, no, habang kami ay nagkukulitan dito, ayan, umpisa pa lang yan, no, mamaya sa Amicus Curiae, pag-uusapan natin ng masinsinan ang topic natin today. Diyan lang po kayo dahil magbabalik pa ang People's Court.
The information provided in the show does not and is not intended to constitute legal advice. Instead, all information and content in the show are for general informational purposes only. No viewer should act or refrain from acting on the basis of information provided in the show without first seeking legal advice from a proper counsel. No attorney-client relationship is created or intended to be created with the audience of the show.
Hello po uli mga kauntahan. Welcome to the third segment of People's Court, ang Amicus Curiae. It's me again, Attorney Al Jumrani. At syempre pa, kasama pa rin natin ang walang iba kundi si Judge G. Oyenko Nolasco. Hi again, Judge.
Hi again, Attorney Allen, to all our kahuntahans. It's me again, Jing Uyenko Nolasco, a former judge. Welcome to our Amicus Curiae segment kung saan may special guest tayo na tinatawag nating Amicus Curiae or Friend of the Court para mag-share ng kanyang expertise on a particular law or issue. And today we have the beauty and brains talaga, Dean Mari, to talk about the law on senior citizens.
At para marami tayong matalakay today, Judge Jing, simulan na natin ang discussion.
And as always, Attorney Ann, since mas
Sige.
nakakabata ka sa akin a few months,
Ayan na,
Ikaw na, mauna ka
feeling ko
na.
talaga lagi niyang card yan na gagamitin sa akin.
oo, kasi lagi mo rin na-emphasize sa matanda ako sa'yo. So lagi
Grabe
ko
ka
sabihin,
naman.
a few months lang po.
Ayan, o
Ayan.
sige.
Tago hindi sila magko-question.
Hindi
A
na.
few years po
few
actually.
years.
Ilan nga ba? Ilan nga? 6?
6
years.
No, 44 na ako eh.
Huwag na kayong
Tama,
magbilangan.
6 years.
Baka natakot ako bigla dun sa turn ng discussion. Baka
Ay,
may
hindi ka na tatanong.
kailangan ng
Promise.
announcement ng age ko.
Hindi, promise hindi. Okay. 6 years ata.
Ayun.
Okay, go.
Sige. So, Dean Mari, kanina we said that Republic Act 7432 defines a senior citizen as a resident citizen of the Philippines at least 60 years old. Saklaw ba dito ang mga foreigners residing or just visiting the Philippines? Can they also benefit from the senior citizens discounts pagkakain sila sa restaurant at saka iba pa mga privileges?
Oh, kasi may nag-a-attempt na ganun.
Meron talagang nag-a-attempt. Oh, I'm very surprised. Kasi I guess this is something that's general knowledge naman, di ba? Of course, the budget is coming from our government. And of course, that's within lang the parameters ng nasasakop natin. Eh, yun, syempre, ang ating mga citizens. So, ang cover nito, if you will look at the history ng, kasi kanina, sinabi mo, no? Na ang daming development. So,
Yes.
sana nga, I think it's important na malaman ng ating mga senior citizens na tagapakinig na ang layo na ng pinanggalingan. Kasi
Yes.
nagsimula na hindi lahat. Actually, akala nila siguro basta nag-60 ka, lahat ano na.
Covered
Before
na.
hindi. Kasi kailangan before kapag naka 60 ka, kailangan may income ka na
may income
bracket.
ka.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka kumikita ng 60,000 a year, di ba? O ilang percent na yon. So, it just shows also that we have to put certain limits. And I
Yes.
think it's reasonable limits na we only cater to our citizens. Kanina pinag-usapan niyo yung dual citizens. Yung dual citizens na iba.
Oo,
Pero
yan.
ito, yung dual citizens mismo, yung talagang dual citizens, they can actually also avail of this.
Yun.
Basta may requirement lang na residency ng 6 months.
Okay.
Ayun. At
So,
least dito.
So, hindi pwedeng yung mga dual, yung talagang legit na dual citizens na Filipino and
Not
for example,
automatic.
American, na basta ipe-present lang nila rito yung passport nila, eh, mag-expect na sila ng discount kasi may residency pa. O yan ha, malinaw po yan, mga
Malinaw, oo.
kapuntahan.
Correct.
Okay, now let's talk about the senior citizens discount, Dean Mari. Magkano ang discount? At sa ano nga bang mga transactions ito maabil ng ating mga senior citizens? Kasi meron mga senior citizens pupunta sa bar.
Bar.
Tapos magpe-present ng doon sa door fee.
Oo. Eh bakit
Sa
naman kasi
Dorothy.
kakain naman doon?
Hindi,
Pwede
sa
namang
door.
kumain.
Parang ano nila kasi, lahat, kumbaga, tatanungin talaga nila, may senior citizens discount ba? So, kailangan malinaw ito. Para sa kanila naman, baka meron. So, once and for all, linawin natin para sa ating mga kahuntaan. Ano ba ang mga ganon, transaction?
Napakasigurista natin. Di ba baka sakaling lumabas?
Oo, yan.
Hindi, first of all, actually gusto ko to sabihin kanina. Hindi naman po talaga tayo eksperto. You cannot say that you're an expert in a particular law. Like I mentioned, I'm with a full service firm. But ang dami, just to say, no, ang daming nakapaligid sa atin na senior citizens
Yes,
actually. So they don't really come to you for advice. It's more of yung lifestyle kasi nila. So dahil ang daming nakapalibot. And ito yung surprising pa. Alam na alam nila ang
Oo.
kanilang mga privileges and benefits. And I suppose that has something to do also with social media kasi ngayon active sila sa social media, so they all do a sharing, so alam na alam nila. So perhaps siguro just a quick of course you get that 20%, yung sinasabi natin pag naka 60 ka na, yan na.
Oo,
Akala
okay
mo,
na.
sama ako, manlibre ka naman.
Oo.
Pero, para
Oo.
lang yun sa senior. Hindi ka
Yes.
pwedeng makisama porque may card siya.
Oo.
So, and then that's 20% discount on mga prescribed na medicine, your vitamins, minerals, actually pati yun. Supplements, kailangan mo siguro ng prescription from your doctor if you want to avail of you get free medical and dental services if you're in a government hospital. Also, yung mga diagnostics, dugo, x-ray, ano pa to? You get free vaccination for pneumonia, for your influenza, wedding flu. So baka hindi nila alam yun.
Yun nga.
Para
Meron
ma-protect
din
sila
pala.
magpa-flu kayo. Kasi for those na ayaw magpa-vaccine sa COVID, yung iba sinasabi sufficient na yung flu vaccine,
Oo,
di ba? So
oo,
pwede nyo rin yung i-take. That's also for free. What else? Okay. Basic goods and prime commodities. Meron din
Supermarket,
dyan.
no?
May limit though. Hindi naman
Oo.
parang punta ko ng punta. And also, kaya nga basic necessities and prime commodities. Hindi naman yung bibili ka ng kung ano, mas gusto nila fresh, yung mas healthy. Okay, fresh produce, fresh meat, ganyan. So, you can also rice, corn, flour, sugar, yung mga basic. No, you get a discount for that. I think 5% yung discount po. And then may limit lang siya for the, I think weekly it's 1-3, parang may ganon. May
Okay.
ganon na limit.
Okay.
And then of course, minention nyo kanina yung sinihan.
Yes.
Oo.
Okay, so meron meron kang, hindi siya free. Meron kang discount, 20% discount when you watch movies, you go to theater, you watch plays and all. Pero may mga ibang cities
Yan.
na they allow na, Mondays,
Yes, correct.
senior
Yes,
citizens
yes,
yun.
yes.
So ang saya. Ang
Oo.
saya maging senior citizen ngayon, di ba?
Para hindi na siya depressing. You know, sa ibang countries, they fear reaching the
Aging,
age of
yeah.
retirement. Kasi nga, para silang, alam mo yun,
Working pa rin, hindi nila ma-enjoy. At least sa atin may mga ganun
But this is this is something na I think our culture also, we take care of
Yeah,
our,
we
mas
do.
konti yung nursing homes natin, mas
Yes.
konti yung
Correct,
kasi we
correct.
take care of
Diba?
our seniors, we take
Yes.
care of our parents. So biglang napasok yung culture sa legislation natin. And that's why we want them to feel important. We want them to still maintain their dignity, even though statistically, lesser sila na nakakapag-contribute economically, you know, and also for them to enjoy. Kasi feeling natin, nagtrabaho kayo, pinalaki niyo yung mga anak
Yes.
niyo. So this is a way for you to enjoy.
At sana mag-level up pa yan kasi papunta rin tayong lahat
Naku.
dyan.
correct. Kaya nga tayo mga nakababata, we should prepare for that time
Yeah.
na when we,
Oo. Ako, in my case, 9 years na lang. So, kailangan na akong
Okay, yan na
prepare.
naman na tayo.
Ay, hindi,
Sa edad na naman
Sa edad ko lang. Hindi ko tatatanungin. Basta sinasabi ko lang lahat tayo papunta doon. Okay, may question pa ako. Dagdag lang doon sa doon sa mga transactions covered. Yung hotel and plane fare, meron din bang senior citizens pag kayo
Meron
senior?
din siya.
Yun. Okay.
Meron din yung mga public utility vehicles, of course. So kung sasakay ka dyan, MRT, PNR,
Yes.
lahat yan, meron
Jeep.
din.
Grab.
Ang saya, you can go around.
Oo,
Di ba?
diba?
O aside from that, meron ka pa for your utility bills. Oo, pag naka-register sa pangalan mo. So hindi ko alam kung alam yun na nakakarami. So kung meron kang Meralco mo, may merong limit lang sa kilowatt hours. Hindi naman yung pa-party ka sa bahay, naka-on yung aircon mo. Siyempre, isipin din natin, we have to be sensitive also to energy,
Yes.
to our
Correct.
environment, and also
Correct.
dun sa economy ng ating bansa.
Ayan.
Siyempre, gusto naman natin, hindi tayo magte-take advantage, di ba?
Correct.
Ng mga seniors natin.
Ayan.
But it's not just the money, it's not just the economic. Kasi meron din tayo, we make sure that establishments also make their services accessible. So they are also obligated to make sure na either there's an express lane for
Oo.
senior citizens, or kung kunyari, mostly, nahihirapan sila maglakad, huwag
Yeah.
naman yung ang taas ng hagdan. So you
Yeah,
have to
true.
provide
Yung ramp
space,
or space.
upuan,
Oo.
you know, all
Correct.
these things
Yeah.
that you can make it
Life
easier for
easier.
them.
correct.
Oo.
Kumbaga, hindi lang enough na you just declare yourself to have all these facilities, you must make it really work for them.
Yes.
Diba? Ayun. So speaking of which, eto, parang medyo history to. So back in
10
2013,
years ago.
yes, 10 years ago, no, naging nasa news talaga to eh.
Yeah.
Inireklamo ni Atty. Romulo Macalintal ang dalawang restaurant sa Pasay at sa Las Piñas dahil hindi daw sa pagsunod sa senior citizens discount law. Yung sa Pasay, hindi tinanggap ang kanyang ibang valid ID. I think ito sa driver's license. Ang hinihingi daw kasi ay yung dapat ID from the OSCA or the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs. Yung sa Las Piñas naman, ang reklamo niya ay marami silang mga seniors pero hanggang 2 senior citizens discount lang ang
Pwede raw.
tinanggap ng restaurant. So, unang tanong, ano ba panuntunan talaga dyan? Ano ID ang acceptable proof of age at hanggang ilan bang senior citizens customers ang pwede mag-avail ng discount at the same time or at one
Yes.
time?
Oh, so, okay. Well, of course, actually, ang lot of seniors, wala na silang ibang ID, kundi yung senior
Yun na.
citizens ID nila. No? So, that would be the primary. But the law itself, in-enumerate na niya kung ano yung pwede. So, number 2, pwede yung passport. And number 3, any government ID na napapakita yung age mo. Although we still encourage na kumuha kayo ng ID, you need to register. Kasi kailangan din naman nating matrack, kailangan din naman
Yes.
ma-monitor ng
Yes.
gobyerno. Kasi para sa inyo rin yan. Para we would know also how we will be able to ration our resources, di ba? Kasi syempre dumadami rin yan. And going to that, I would like to point out something. Actually, may lumabas na latest na statistics sa PSA just this August 2022 na it's actually 9.22 million.
Oh,
okay.
9.22
Ang
na.
ating seniors. That's
Oo.
around 8.5 of our population. So, kailangan, I would think also that the government, when we talk about senior citizens, we love them, we talk about how much we want to further give them benefits. But we also have to make the proper projections. Kasi dadating na yung time na they're going to be a substantial percentage of the population. Ang mangyayari, you shift the burden to medyo mas statistics na yan,
Yeah.
parang yung mortality rate, di ba? Mas madami nang tumatanda, and then,
Correct.
yan, ang daming incentives na naiisip. If you become a centenarian, may
Yes.
1 million
Oo,
ka,
oo,
octogenarian, nonagenarian. So, parang ang dami nating naiisip. It's money, but also we have to think of everything. I mean, reconcile everything, for the greater good. So, ayun. Yung isa mong question kanina,
Kung halimbawa,
kung may limit,
oo, yung
kung
may
may
limit, 5
maximum.
kayong
Oo,
seniors.
5.
Ganun,
Tapos dalawa lang daw ang
Oo,
inonor.
hindi dapat ganun. No? I suppose there are some establishments na ang iniisip nila is syempre yung bottom line nila, di ba? Na parang ganun. Although, of course, they get these rebates for these. And
yes.
I suppose may mga iba pang tax incentives sila na binibigay. But you cannot. Hindi po pwedeng, 10 kami and then yung 2 lang.
Oo.
Hindi po pwede.
Correct.
And you have to be very careful. The establishments and everybody, careful kayo kasi may penal provisions ang law natin.
Correct.
Pwede po kayong makulong. Medyo hindi siya sandali lang. Medyo matagal-tagal siya. At saka medyo mabigat din yung fine. It's 50,000 above. 100,000 hanggang 200,000 babayaran mo na penalty. May mga first, second, may mga third na violations.
Yes.
And then may kulong.
Yes.
More than 6 months. So,
Oo.
di ba? So, parang kailangan medyo
Correct.
careful din tayo
Yeah.
doon.
Correct. O yan. Ako din, Mari, may mga establishments. Kasi napag-usapan ng mga establishments. Ito rin kay Atty. Macalintal, medyo related yan eh. Ito yung sinasabi ng iba, hindi raw magagamit ang senior citizens discount in conjunction with or kasabay na iba pang discount tulad ng loyalty card, in-store promos, etc. Like yung kay Atty. Macalintal, I think isa ring part dun sa Pasay. Hotel to eh. Meron siya kasi nung
Hotel card, parang hotel.
Oo, na parang merong ganun. Tapos ayaw i-honor yung senior citizens niya kasi raw ginamit niya yung hotel privilege card niya na yon. So tama ba ito? Paano bang isa dun sa
siguro law of
ito?
reason din. Let's take that into consideration. Siguro, in maraming complaints na naririnig about that kasi gusto nila but for the establishment, it's their prerogative kasi to give these discounts. So, ang sinasabi na lang ng law natin is that whichever is higher.
Okay.
So,
Yan.
senior citizen discount or ito. Whichever is higher, so
Pero
mamili ka
pagka
na
ganon,
lang.
kailangan i-explain dun sa senior
Siguro.
citizen customer na ma'am, sir, mas mataas po kasi ang discount ng itong
Yes.
card mo. So, eto na lang. Kasi kung ito po pipiliin nyo, mababa. Kasi dito lalabas, ganito lang babayaran nyo, ganyan. Para magaan na tanggapin na
Yes.
hindi niya nagagamit yung kanyang senior citizen.
Alam mo, maganda rin yung sinabi mo, Attorney Al, kasi siguro, as the same with the other laws, kailangan talaga nating i-inform silang mabuti and to
Yes.
explain. Kasi minsan kawawa rin yung waiter kasi minsan hindi na-explain sa kanya kung ano lang yung sinabi nung ano niya, employer niya, and also maybe we should, it's also good that we educate at meron ang People's Court na
Yes.
segment na ganito para ma-explain din sa kanila. Para yung iba namang senior citizens, pag naano naman kayo, wag naman din kayong pumilit.
sensitive.
Oo, wag naman din kayong magpumilit ng something na alam nyo naman na not within the law.
Yes.
So,
So, ayan, so malinaw po ha.
Okay.
Pagka ganun, may mas mataas na discount para pa senior citizens, kailangan na ipaliwanag.
But it's a
na
different
ganun,
case sa medical, ha?
Oo, sa medical.
Kasi sa
Iba pa.
medical, kapag meron kang senior citizen at saka meron kang PhilHealth, ako
Yes.
rin akala ko dati, hindi isa lang. You can actually use that on
Yes,
top
yan,
of
pareho
that.
yun.
Tapos mas
Laking
meron pang
bagay.
health card.
Oo,
Halimbawa,
malaking
yung mga
bagay.
like MaxiCare, sorry, hindi ko pinapromote. Pero yung mga gano'n, di ba? Pwede pa yun in conjunction, no?
I think pwede.
Pwede.
Kasi parang ang mangyayari, i-apply mo yung discount mo. Kasi yung company naman nagbabayad din. Not naman the
Yeah,
establishment,
correct,
not the
correct.
hospital. So I think yung batitira, maybe that's when you apply it. So I think that's arguable.
Pwede, oo, yeah.
Kasi ang ko nagamit yung ganun. Parang nagamit yung HMO, tas PhilHealth. And okay naman. Kasi nga parang
Plus
added benefits
senior
at
card pa.
senior
Oo,
citizens.
tapos kung Makati ka pa, yellow card.
Ayan.
Diba? Ang dami.
Ayan na. Talaga ang daming
Diba?
combinations pala niyan. Sige, isipin natin kung
Sige,
paano.
siguro pagbigay siguro ng bill, wait lang, recompute mo yan.
Oo.
Ang daming cards. Diba?
Sige.
Ganun, no?
So, at least mapakita nga natin yung value natin,
Correct.
pagpapahalaga natin
Sa mga
ating
elderly.
seniors.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ito din, Mari, natatanong din ito. Hindi kaya malulugi, ito sinasabi natin, di ba, prerogative ng business. Hindi kaya malulugi ang isang negosyo kung puro seniors ang kakain. Wala namang masama doon na, pero yung bibili sa kanila at lahat sila ibibigay ng discount. Mababawi kaya ng mga establishments ang halaga ng discount na binibigay sa mga seniors.
Well, that's precisely why there's a fund allotted for this is because the establishments can recover. So may rebate naman yan. I think from a business perspective, medyo hindi kasi mabilis yung return.
Ayun.
So syempre may value of money at the
Correct,
time that it
correct.
was spent. So siguro yung sales mo nung day na yon medyo bababa. So meron din talaga. So I think that's why in anything that we legislate, we have to really take all the stakeholders into consideration.
Yes.
Kasi we cannot give benefits to one sector to the detriment and at the expense naman of another. So maybe that we should be mindful of that. So ayun, may gano'n naman siya na aspeto. But don't worry if you're going to be giving, eventually, mababalik, makukuha mo rin yan. Mababawi mo rin yan. And maybe a tax incentive din.
Oo, kasi
correct, correct.
so, speaking of tax, kasi nga, di ba, 20% discount plus, meron pa yung additional na, yung 12% kasi VAT-free yan, sila lumalabas.
Yes, correct.
Magre-recompute sila niyan eh. So, 20%, 12%, 30%.
Hindi, ayun nga. Yun nga yun. So parang, parang, kaya matagal.
Oo, matagal ang
Pag
computation.
nandun ka, kumakain ka,
Yes, yes.
ako may naunang senior sa harap
Yes,
ko, medyo
yes.
matagal.
Because of
Kaya
that.
ayusin na ang mga POS nyo.
Yes.
Kailangan
Kasi
mabilis
nandun
na
na
lang
yun
when you
eh.
swipe.
Correct.
And maybe just to mention, no, since we're talking about benefits, hindi lang naman itong discounts ang binibigay mo. There's actually a pension.
Yes.
There's a social pension. I think it's around magkano ba yung binibigay na social pension? I think 500.
okay.
500. Tapos may legislation to make it bigger. And then it's a monthly social pension. And aside from that, ang alam ko under the train law, meron din eh. Parang you can also get a monthly something. I think it's around, medyo malaki-laki rin I think.
For those who are not aware of
2,000.
this,
2,000, yeah.
ngayon, kasi syempre,
Hindi nila alam yun.
Oo nga.
So din, yan, tulad sabi niyo, marami pala mga benefits. Are these, yung information nito, are these cascaded through the OSCA? Para naman yung mga wala access
Dapat.
sa internet.
Dapat, no?
Well,
Diba?
dapat.
Alam
That's
nila
the
yan.
function. Kasi nga, you mentioned yung ating development ng law, no? So, the latest one was this 9994. So, doon ginawa, kasi before it was the National Coordinating, mixed pa with the others concerned. Ito, meron na tayong National Commission
Yes.
on senior citizens. So, NCSC. So, that should be their function. That should be one of their functions because we do all know na ang isa sa mga challenges of having a law is its execution and implementation. So
Yes.
that should be part of that. Dapat cascaded yan.
Oo, tama. Yung proper information.
OSCA,
Oo. Now,
OSCA senior citizen din yan.
Correct.
So parang pwede pa silang mag-hold ng posisyon. Kasi kailangan senior
Yes.
citizen ang nakaupo
Oo,
sa
correct,
OSCA.
Oo. Now, speaking of yung sinabi mo nga, sa OSCA, dapat ang nag-hold yan, senior citizens. Kasi ang mga senior citizens naman natin, hindi porke senior na, parang wala na silang pwedeng gawin. No? So, natatalo na ako doon sa question
Yes.
na yon ha. Malakas pa at may inner drive pa sila at may mga para maging productive sa kanilang mga retirement years. So, may mga beneficial programa ba para sa kanila under this law natin on senior citizens?
We so know that. Yun yung pinag-uusapan natin earlier, di ba? Na parang especially sa law,
Oo.
di ba? Ang mga active, hindi sila
Yes.
pwedeng magpahinga.
Correct.
Busy sila. Minsan nga, yang-iya ka na.
Oo,
Hindi
sila
ka
pa
pwedeng
mas-
mag-excuse kasi ang dami nilang committees. They're like very, very active. And so, we also would like them to contribute, no? Okay, we're talking about our practice natin sa mga lawyers. Pero meron iba siguro hindi na rin masyadong makaano. Like for example, if you talk about the laborers and all.
yes.
But there are also special programs na parang ino-open natin para ma-feel nila na important din sila.
Yes,
They are
oo.
productive contributors to society. Dignity nila is
Yes.
still intact na, hey, hindi ako walang kwenta, hindi ako inutil. So, like kunyari, there are TESDA. TESDA courses that they can take. Bilang gusto nila
New
na,
skills.
gusto nila mag-gardening na.
Yeah.
I mean, not just yung magtatanim ka, yung malalaman mo yung science behind it, gusto mong magano. They're open na there are programs by the both the DILG and also the DSWD and the other agencies of government that provide programs for the senior citizens so that they can participate. What else? What else? So siguro when you perform, when you practice, syempre kahit papaano meron yung effect sa mo. So merong mga activities on mental wellness,
Yes.
may mga activities na ganon. Actually, active sila.
Ayun, maganda.
In fact, I remember my parents, siyempre present sa retired, no? Labas na labas, exercise, lakad mo lagi. Sabi ko, hindi ba magpahinga na lang kayo sa bahay? Parang sinabi mo na rin, dito na lang kami sa bahay at magkasakit.
Yes.
They need to go out.
Yes, they need the socialization
Yes,
aside from the
socialization.
physical activity and also siguro yung environment. Kailangan makita nila the hub of activity.
Yes, correct. Okay, so since na-mention nyo din, Mari, kanina yung bagong batas at saka itong bagong commission. So please tell us about this National Senior
National Commission.
Sorry, National
Senior
Commission of
Citizens.
Senior Citizens or
or
NCSC. Anong
Okay.
highlights ng batas na ito at ano ang mga binago o meron bang binago sa mga previous and current senior citizens laws?
I think I mentioned na earlier yung isang major na pagbabago. In fact, hindi ko yun alam kasi ang kinagisnan ko, basta when you reach yung pagka,
60.
na 60, ka na, yung pala before hindi.
Oo.
'Di ba? Tapos mas expanded siya, expanded in terms of like for example, yung benefits na dagdagan. Okay? Tapos of course we have the social pension and siguro mas dedicated kasi ito. This is a more dedicated as opposed to before na it was part of
DSWD?
it's
LGU?
an interagency.
Okay.
It's an interagency na what do you call that? I think it's a board. Oo, it's a monitoring board. So yun, ito mas dedicated na sila really. And also apart from that, mas ine-encourage na. I know I mentioned earlier that we don't really have parang lesser nursing homes here
Yes.
kasi we like taking care of yan kasama rin yan na if you establish mga ganyan, they call it
Retirement
something,
homes.
not nursing home, they call it something else na
Retirement homes na,
mas maganda. Yon 50% na tax yon. And I think ayun. But that's an exciting question kasi this is also active in collating information and finding out what the situation on the ground is for future legislation kasi ang dami actually na baka ma-excite ang senior citizens, no? Marami talagang naiisip para sa senior citizens. Ano ba 'yon? Iisip nila vowsy for senior citizens,
Oh,
which is
wow.
'di ba minsan wala rin silang voice, 'di ba? Ano pa isip? na-mention mo kanina yung di ba may sangguniang kabataan, gusto nila magkaroon ng sanggunian for senior citizens.
Okay.
Alright, and then since hindi pa rin law yung sinasabi ko sa inyo earlier, yung
social
for
pension.
yung
Centenary.
mga
Hindi, yung
centenarians,
centenarian,
octogenarians,
yung mga
nonagenarians.
gifts, cash gifts.
Pag na-reach mo siya, merong equivalent siya na amount.
Oo.
Pero pag centenarian, meron ka 1M.
Oo,
Meron
wow.
kang ganon, di ba? Ang magbe-benefit ng pamilya mo.
Oo. Meron ng
Pamilya mo.
pamana.
Pamana na.
With
Correct.
exclusion of
Oo,
heirs.
correct.
They want to increase the
The social
from
pension
500
ata,
to
to
1,000 yun. Gusto nila what else? Ayun, siguro yung more expanded. Ito. Ano kasi, pag pumunta ka sa isang golf club, o diba golf? Diba? Kasi syempre yan yung isa sa mga mas friendly na activities for seniors. Pag kasi doon, hindi mag-a-apply yung discount. Kasi yung nature ng club is really to serve, it's a non-profit, it serves its members.
Yes.
So walang discount dyan. Whereas sa atin, in the greater economies of scale, medyo nasa-subsidize ng mga nakakabata, no? Ito, members yan. So, ayun, gusto nilang ma-include. Gusto nilang ma-include. At saka minention mo yung bar. Actually, dati rin hindi ko rin yun alam. Kasi, of course, there was iniisip ko, meron bang mga cases on senior citizens na law na umabot sa Supreme Court? Alam niyo ba yun? Meron umabot. This is, kasi dun sa sinasabi niyo sa bar, syempre naisip ko noon, kailangan healthy lang. Kung mag-alcoholic ka, wag, bakit isa-subsidize ng state? But I was surprised na pwede.
Oh.
Pwede, pero may limit. Parang
Okay.
pang personal consumption mo lang.
I
So,
see.
I think, yung iba nga sinasabi, isang beer lang. I mean, pwede yata hanggang 5.
Okay. Parang
may
for
ganun.
leisure kasi mental na.
Minsan nagre-relax ka rin, ganun. Kailangan mo
For
isipin din yung
relaxation,
benefit, hindi naman
yeah.
yung tipong alcoholic ka.
Hindi pwedeng may
Oo.
ano.
Pero yung sa Supreme Court, siya, soft drinks. Hindi
soft
ginrant.
drinks.
Pero it's not because of the commodity. It was more of the nature of the establishment.
Yeah,
Which,
I see.
na cooperative.
Okay.
So, ayun. So, that just came out in 2020.
Wow.
Okay,
So that
wow.
would be worth a read. And of course, we had a very fruitful discussion. So kaya worth our while. So thank you for sharing your knowledge and
Thank
expertise, Dean
Naku,
Marie.
expertise.
Yes.
Expert kasi napapalibutan ako ng senior citizens.
Ang galing. Thank you again,
Ayan,
Dean
thank
Marie.
you.
May maraming natutunan na naman ng ating
I
mga
hope.
kahuntahan. Of course, lalo na sa mga seniors, yung mga misconceptions, yung mga things na kailangan nila malaman nila. So, thank you. Now, bago tayo magpaalam, meron ka bang pabaon para sa ating mga kahuntahan tungkol sa topic natin today, especially to our senior citizens? You
Okay.
now have the floor. You may now address them.
Okay. So, what I can say, we love our senior citizens. The senior citizens I'm with, my family, of course, the one in church, in our industry. And, the law and the country, which the laws show our love for you. So this is a time for you to enjoy life. But it's not just about the economic benefits, like I said earlier. Let's think also, isipin natin, paano rin tayo makaka-contribute? Kasi I feel that you also need that. You also need na makakapag-give back kayo. So all I can say is that enjoy this time in your life. Think of ways na marami pa tayong matututunan, even though we're at this time in our lives. And that's it. And I hope that, you use also this time na maturuan nyo rin yung younger generation that,
Yeah.
It's not too late, and it's not, it's never, there's never an end time for things. You keep on learning, we keep on living and enjoying life.
Ayun.
Yan, ganda. Ayan, well said. Ayan. So hindi na ako takot tumanda.
Diba?
Because, correct, it's,
So,
because
sinabi
as they
ni
say,
Dean Marie.
age is just a number.
Yes.
Yeah. In fact, with age comes wisdom and purpose in life.
Yes.
Oh, and I thank you. Ayan. So, thank you, Dean Marie, for guesting in the show. At
you.
sana ay maimbitahan ka namin ulit in the future.
Yes, oo ha,
It will be my pleasure.
Okay.
Thank
you
you.
very much for that and see you again soon, especially sa FCLE
Oo, may
meetings
trabaho
natin.
pa kami. Hindi kami
Kahit
naman sa
on.
staff. May mga senior citizens doon.
Okay, so at yun nga ha, next time ulit ha, another topic
Thank
naman.
you.
Okay, and that's all for now mga kahuntahan. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Ako po muli si former Judge Jing Oyenco Nolasco.
At ako naman po si Attorney Al Jumrani.
Till next time po dito sa show natin na For the People, By the People, Of the People. This is the
People's Court.